Hello and welcome. Every time when I receive something from China in a box where all is written in a very understandable language, it feels like a Chinese Christmas to me. Honestly, when I saw this gadget for the first time, I was really confused as it seemed like something made not for fishing, but rather a tool that you keep in your garage. If you'll stick until the end, I'll show you how it operates with the bait that I'm gonna prepare specially for the demonstration. Before I begin, you can like or dislike the video, as your opinion really matters to me, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and see more fishing gadgets like this one and know how to use them. I don't even know the name of this tool, so I'll name it myself as Manual Fishing Bait Compressor. In my opinion, this gadget would work best while winter fishing when your fingers are freezing while putting the bait onto the hook. In a box, we've got this interesting gadget which is already assembled. Also, we've got a spare front part. Straight away, I'd like to mention that it will work well only for the small hooks. The width of a hook should not be greater than 0.37 inches or 9.4 millimeters. We've got a handle over here and this front part with a magnet on the top which goes down when you press this handle. There are two holes within the plastic of this front part through which the bait comes onto the hook. I'll show you them on the spare part. Over here we've got a tube where you put the bait, which should be slightly soft and sticky. The bottom part allows you to put the pressure on the bait, which you'll put into the tube. And now I'll explain how it works. You put the bait inside of the tube and lock the cap as it is shown on the tube here. Put a pressure on the bait by spinning this plastic screw. When you've done enough pressure on the bait, all you need to do is to put the hook on top of this part here. The magnet will hold the hook and the only thing that is left is to press the handle. When pressed, the hook goes down, which allows the bait to cover the hook through the holes which I've mentioned earlier. Then you simply release the handle and that is it. The bait is on the hook. The only thing that I have forgotten to mention is how you clean this gadget after usage. On the sides of the handle it has two metal buttons which when pressed allow you to remove the handle from the tool. But when you are gonna be doing that, make sure that you hold this front part here with your finger, as if you don't, you might actually lose it. It has a spring inside and if you don't hold it, it shoots quite far. I know that as it happened to me when I was cleaning this gadget. I've actually prepared some bait to show you how it operates, and to me, it's pretty straightforward. In my opinion, it is a very interesting gadget and you don't see many of these nowadays. If you prefer winter fishing or float fishing when the fish bites as mad, this tool would be quite handy. If you have already tried using this tool, share your thoughts about it by commenting under the video. I would also recommend you visiting fishmatpro.com website where I share information about different fish species, lines, reels, rods, and a lot of other stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.